Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we are diving into technical/horizontal agents, the second major type of AI agent. These agents excel at performing repetitive rule-based tasks and can be deployed across a wide range of processes. These agents are called horizontal because they can be applied broadly across different departments and the use cases, wherever repetitive or rule-based task exists. Think of them as a general-purpose workhorses that can be used in multiple processes. They can handle tasks like OCR tasks for extracting text from images or PDFs, RPA tasks for automating application user interfaces to handle data entry and retrieval, API integrations for calling external services or pulling data from third-party platforms. These agents can be integrated into any business process just like typical OCR, RPA, or API steps. The difference lies only in how they're implemented, scripted versus instruction-based. For instance, in this process, the invoice data entry task is performed by the RPA AI agent. This is the regular process without agent. This RPA task was replaced by the AI agent. Now let's see how easy it is to build this type of agents in Actionable. First, we're going to look at the RPA agent. In RPA agent, you provide step-by-step instruction in plain English, such as filling fields, clicking button, or navigating to particular page. When defining each step, you map relevant process data to a correct field, and the agent takes care of the rest. Let's see this in action. Now let's take a look at the OCR agent. This agent extracts data from handwritten scanned PDFs. You supply a list of fields to extract, along with its data type, and any specific instruction for the field. The agent then captures data in a specified format. Let's see this in action. As you can see, it extracted simple as well as the complex data types like table structure. That's a quick overview of how these agents work and how easy it is to build them in Actionable platform. In our next video, we will explore more use cases for this versatile agents. If you have any questions or want a more detailed demo, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.